Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bitbucket, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.bitbucket.org and press enter. Once the website loads, look for the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you can enter your credentials. If you already have an account, input your email address or username in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy. If you want the system to remember your credentials, tick the checkbox labeled Stay Signed In. Once your information is entered, click on If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Bitbucket dashboard. If you encounter any issues, confirm that your email and password are correct. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you through the steps to reset your password. Follow the instructions sent to your registered email. After resetting your password, return to the login page. Enter your new password along with your email or username. Click the Login button again. Once logged in, explore your repositories and any other available options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.